How can you speak English confidently? Let me tell you in 8 minutes what I've learned so far. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 things to help you learn English effectively and speak in English confidently. And all of this will help you become that confident English speaker. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1, be focused. So you must be focused in this task of learning English to learn English effectively. What I mean by that is you have to make learning English a priority. So priority is something important to you. If you say I'm too busy, or if you say I don't have time to learn English, that means English is not a priority for you. What does that really mean? It simply means you choose not to do this. So you need to choose English as a priority. Stay focused and start today. Be consistent. So that's my number 1 tip for you. Let's move to the next one. Tip number 2. Be persistent. Persistent. What a lovely word. What does that mean? Persistent means to continue, to keep going. So as students, you need to always make sure that you will continue this process of learning English without stopping it halfway through. If you stop halfway through, you will lose what you've learned so far. Remember, learning English is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So, slow and steady wins the race. So you should not rush through things. You need to be patient and learn to wait for your results. I need to highlight something very important to you at this point. What do influencers nowadays tell you? They tell you that you can learn English in 2 weeks or maybe in 3 weeks. What do you think? Do you think that anybody can learn English in 3 months? Is it a possible task? No. If you go to the Cambridge English website, you will see to move up a band, you will need 200 hours of guided learning English. So it's not an easy task. So you can't do it overnight. It's not possible. So it takes time. So how do you keep going? You have to enjoy your studying. That's how you keep going. If you enjoy what you study, you will continue. So you need to choose the materials, study materials that you like and continue. Now let's move on to the third one. Tip number 3. Find your motivation. What motivates you? What is the factor that motivates you to learn English? What is the real reason behind you studying in English? Is it because you're planning to migrate, or is it because you're looking for a job promotion? Find your own motivation and that will keep you going. Now I'm going to tell you how to stay motivated. I'm going to tell you 3 things to keep yourself motivated in your journey of English learning. You need to have your own goals. So what are your goals? You cannot be vague in your goals. You need to have specific, measurable, and also realistic goals. So set up your own goals and work your way towards them. The second one is do not forget the why. Remember why you are doing all this, why you are learning English, and why you are trying to become a confident speaker in English. Remember the real reason behind all this, so that will keep you going. Let's move on to the third one. Stay connected. Talk to people. Stay connected with people who are in the same boat as you. What I mean by that is, maybe join an English class. If you join a class, you will meet new people with same goals. So your journey of English learning will be quite interesting. So let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one is reward yourself. What does that mean? So, rewarding means you are going to treat yourself. You are going to treat yourself kindly. How can you do that? So let's say you have studied English every day about an hour for the last month. How wonderful that is. So you need to give a reward to yourself. So you can go to the cinema, or you can buy yourself a big pack of chocolate, or you can go on a solo date. And when you reward yourself, your brain identifies that behavior as a positive behavior. So you can repeat that behavior again and again. Let's move to the fifth one. Fifth one is practice lots. How could you practice? There are two main ways of practicing. So when you learn English or any foreign language, there's active and passive learning. How do you learn actively? You learn actively by speaking or by writing. How do you learn passively? You learn passively by reading or listening. Now I'm going to tell you two more bonus tips. I'm going to highlight the importance of revision. So you need to revise daily. Revision will help you to remember the things that you have learned and use them in day-to-day practice. So that's one of the most important things in your learning journey. The second one is, although you have a big goal of becoming a confident speaker, you need to break down your journey into small steps. So having small steps will help you to focus at present rather than focusing too much in the future, which can overwhelm you. To sum up, these are the 5 things that we've discussed today. First one, be focused. Second one, be persistent. Third one, find your motivation. Fourth one, reward yourself. And the fifth one, practice. Practice and practice lots. And 2 bonus points are review and small steps to reach your big goal. If you want to learn something new and succeed, you need to stay hungry and stay foolish. Who said this? This was said by a famous person. Do you know him? If you know him, please comment your answer below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. And we will see you in the next lesson.